So you see this suction cup mount from Telesin? It's actually really good. I did a review on it and I love it. But what's better than one? Well, I mean two, yeah. What's better than two? Three. Yeah, so Telesin has their 3-arm suction cup mount. So if you have a bigger camera or you want something stronger for that wind resistance, well, I did put this one to the test. So let me show you more. Welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black and I love to review cool gear that comes my way. If you like this kind of stuff, don't be a stranger. Links to everything, plus a coupon code, plus a surprise link are down in the description. So go ahead and check that out. And you know what? Let's just get right into it. Let me just show you what comes in the box. You get this strong triangular frame structure, 3 suction cups with ball head adjustments on each, a GoPro or action camera mount. You get some rope as a just in case so you can tie up your mount for peace of mind that it won't fly off. You get a tightening key, cleaning cloth for the surface that you put your suction cups on, but also a wet wipe and a dry wipe for those surfaces. A nicely detailed set of instructions, and underneath here, you actually get a very high quality ball head mount. It has a removable mounting plate for easy changes, but also has little metal points on them to make sure that this thing is not going anywhere. You put it all together and, well, you're done. Ready to try it out. This thing will hold up to 2.5 kilograms or 5.5 pounds. So for any prosumers out there with bigger cameras wanting to create some amazing shots from different angles on your car or on glass or any smooth surfaces. And the fact that each suction cup has its own adjustable ball head, it's easy to customize it to different angles and different surface environments. And for us GoPro users, you can argue that one would be enough. And in theory, yes, if you're just putting this on glass or any kind of smooth surface, but when you're driving down a bumpy road or anything like that, it's not as stable. You'll get a little bit more movement because you only have the one arm. But with the 3 suction cups firmly on the surface, this thing won't be moving or wobbling or jiggling at all. Especially if you're wanting to get some low light shots and you have to turn hyper smooth off, it's really nice to have a more smooth shot, and that would look fantastic at nighttime. I also think this would be great for capturing some driving hyperlapse shots. If you're going on a road trip somewhere and you just want to capture it really quickly, the time warp function on the GoPro or any kind of hyperlapse on any other camera just looks great. And if you have a 360 camera, you can just pop that on top of there and you can really capture your world. And hey, turn that GPS on and use that telemetry software and you can get those GPS overlays to really capture your drive. And I'll put a link down in the description to show you how to get those overlays. And you can fold up the legs and it does travel really well. So, I mean, I feel like this is just a great tool to have, not just for GoPro users, but for anyone that likes to capture action shots with your bigger cameras or just, yeah, you know, I've always been a bit weary about using something like this on a car driving down the highway, but this did well. It held up. I wonder if it would, I might have to test that one out. So now let's talk about price, because this is where it gets interesting. I mean, like I said, the ball head alone, you could be paying 50 bucks for something like that. Each one of these suction cup mounts are priced at $25 a piece. So I mean, that's $125 right there. And this comes in at 60 US dollars. And you could even save 10% off that with my coupon code. But that is a great deal for something like this. But as always, for the current price, do check the link down in the description. There are a lot of creative ways that you can use something like this, but I want to ask you, how would you use it? Drop a comment and let me know how you would use this. And hey, if you do order this, make sure you share the footage with me. I'd love to see what you come up with. But that's it for today's video. I have a lot of products to review and more fun videos to make. And I really appreciate you guys watching and all the new subscribers. You guys are all here helping this YouTube channel become like a growing YouTube channel. So I appreciate that. Please check out any of the other reviews that you see on the screen, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Mr. Black. call you Uncle Blackie?
No.